Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the surface off and removing the type cover and any peripherals so nothing draws power. Next, ground yourself and arrange tools. Small Torx/Phillips drivers, a plastic spudger, picks, and a heat source. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the screen perimeter until adhesive softens. Do this evenly to avoid glass stress. Once warm, insert a thin pick at a corner and gently work around the bezel until the display lifts just enough to access internal connectors. With the display lifted, you must locate and disconnect the battery cable first. This prevents shorts while you work. Use a plastic spudger to flip the connector latch and gently pull the ribbon free. Next, remove any battery-retaining screws and brackets, keeping track of each screw type and its location. Slowly peel or heat the adhesive tabs holding the battery. Apply steady, even force, and use a pry tool only at the edges to lift the pack, because puncturing cells will ruin the battery and create a hazard. Place the replacement battery into the bay and press the adhesive surfaces firmly so the pack sits flush. Reinstall brackets and screws exactly as removed. Reconnect the battery cable, then the display ribbon, and power on to verify the device boots and recognizes the new battery. Once confirmed, shut down, reseal the screen with new adhesive or pre-cut tape, and reassemble. If it won't power on, first check that the battery connector is fully seated and not damaged. Reseat connectors before assuming other faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.